Hey everyone, it's Alan, the Living Flipper, and I am just going to do a real short video today. It's not really going to be of much substance, but I did have a few things that happened, a couple of developments with a couple of the products I've been going over on this channel. So I'm going to go ahead and head out to the garage and go over a few things with you, and that will be the video for today. Hey everyone, I'm out in the garage, and the first thing I'm going to talk about, and the main thing I'm going to talk about, is this DVD home theater system right here that I was working on yesterday. From what I can tell is that there are several ways to hook these dang things up. I don't know which is correct. I'm not a home theater expert, and quite honestly, I'm not going to mess with it anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack it back up in the box and list it on Facebook Marketplace as an entire unit, and it can be someone else's project. I'm probably going to price it like really low just to try and move it out of my garage, so I can just free up the space, and then I can just wash my hands of it. What I'm just going to say is I do not know if the speakers work. I could not get them to work. However, someone else might, and see what happens. So, hopefully I can just move this. I am going to take back my cables, though. I'm going to sell it without cables. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing with that. So let's get this thing packed back up so I can get it sold on Facebook Marketplace. I am going to take pictures first and then get it packed up. Okay, so I got that home theater system boxed up. It's also been listed on Facebook Marketplace, photographed everything, so hopefully I can move that quickly. That's about it for that home theater system. Like I said, I'm not a... Okay, so here is a quick little tip to increase your sales on eBay. And I've got my tablet right here, hopefully we can see it. But right here, on my selling part of my app, it says send offers to buyers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click that right there, tap that, whatever you want to call it. It's going to bring up this. Now, what it's doing is it's taking stuff with a watcher and telling me I can send an offer out to the watcher. And it's got the VCR that I listed right here on the channel, has a watcher right here. And the Christmas dinnerware set that I also listed on here on the channel as well. So I'm going to go ahead and send out offers on these because I do want to get the Sango dinnerware sold before Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send offer here. And I'm actually going to give them a real good deal on it. So all I do is now, see it says my offer right there. I'm going to enter in something like, what do I want to offer? I have it listed for 85. So let's try $54.99 and see if I can just move just one of those sets. Like I said, I only got $5 a piece into these things, so $54.99. I am definitely not going to complain about this. So I'm going to hit review offer right here, and I'm going to go ahead and submit that offer. And now I'm done. Now I'm also going to go ahead and send out an offer on this one too. I'm going to do this one at $36.99. That's about 12% off. And submit offer. Actually, a little bit more than that, but yeah. And there we go. Okay, so that was a quick little tip to increase your sales. When I started doing this, my sales went up exponentially because I was sending out offers on items that were sitting there with several watches, and people were picking them up at discounted rates. Now, I don't always send out offers immediately on stuff that's just been listed. I let it sit for a while normally, and accumulate quite a few watches. But like when you're getting started, if you want to start just moving things and getting up a reputation on eBay, this is a great way to start, just by sending out offers whenever there's watches, and sending out an offer for a competitive price, and see if you can get some sales under your belt. But generally, yeah, I generally sit on them for a while. Now the Sango plates for the Christmas dinnerware, that's a seasonal item that I want to move, because they are heavy, they take up a lot of space, and I don't necessarily want to hold those till next Christmas. So hopefully those sell, and I'm okay with giving them a huge discount if they move quickly. So yeah, don't be afraid to send out offers just to get some of your stuff moved out. So that's all I have for you today, and I will see you later. Take care.